I'm a volunteer with the Australian right whale study here at the Header Bight in South Australia on Yalata land. One of our research objectives is to collect good quality photos of the whales. These photos allow us to identify the whales, track their life cycles and assess their health. Previously, this was done from the top of the Bunda Cliffs using cameras and telephoto lenses. But in the last few years, drones have become an important tool in our research. Drones allow us to take identification shots of whales further away from the cliffs. It is safer for the research team as they do not need to spend as much time on the cliff's edge. And we can significantly increase the number of good quality ID images we can capture. One of the unique aspects of the Australian right whale study is the ability to study the whales from the Bunda Cliffs. This separation means that we have very limited impact on the whales. Using drones has an inherent risk of disturbance, and in the worst case, it could lead to a negative impact. To use a drone for our research, we need to apply for a permit from the Government of South Australia. Whales can only be photographed from 25 to 120 metres above. We are currently using the GGO Mavic, which has a built-in 7x zoom lens. This allows us to fly 40 to 50 metres above the whale, but still get close-up ID shots. When filming with the whales, we use a wide-angle lens. We also record in 4K, which allows us to crop into the footage if required. If we are in any doubt, we stay high and move away to reassess. We cannot stay above a whale or whales for longer than 20 minutes and approach the same whale no more than 12 times in one day. We also have exclusion zones around all known raptor breeding sites, such as here we have a breeding pair of white-bellied sea eagles, and a spotter must work with the drone pilot to watch for raptors that may fly into the operating area. Work is to stop if a raptor is seen. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on our socials or get in touch with your local government representative to see if there are any restrictions when flying over whales with a drone.